Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to remove the search icon on Shopify. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. And then, once you are in your browser, log in to myshopify.com together with your account. Once you're on the website, click on Select Channels and go to Online Store. In here, you will need to wait for the website to finish fully loading. Then, you're going to click on Themes. Once you are in Themes, scroll down, tap on the three dots this time in your current theme, and then click on Edit Code. In here, you'll be redirected to another window. You can see your HTML link here or HTML code. In here, on the search bar, search for base.css. This one over here. Now click on it. You'll now be redirected to base.css on another tab. Once you're here, you are going to scroll down at the very bottom. Keep scrolling down as of the moment. It's a long way to go. As a shortcut, you can now use the cursor bar or the scroll bar to drag down to the lowest. In here, tap enter and then paste this one over here, and you could copy this one, pause the screen so you could copy the code. Once you are done, all you have to do this time is click on Save button on the upper right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.